Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is V-Ray Proxy. How to reduce a file size in 3ds Max V-Ray. So guys, you can see the file size now it is 9.54 MB. So this is the file. I have opened it. Only one element in this file, and that is editable mesh. You can see only one element in this file, and the file size is 9 MB. So how we can reduce this in V-Ray? So guys, how you proxy this element? So select mesh element and right click on it, and you will find here V-Ray mesh exporter. So here you can go to V-Ray menu, and here V-Ray mesh exporter, VR mesh exporter. So this is the menu. Click on it and V-Ray mesh export will open here. So browse here the target folder. You can see my project texture location here, D project. So I will make a V-Ray proxy file here in this location. So browse there and go to that path. D project 14 Range Rover car project, this, okay, and click on export all in a single file. Then first select the proxy name, select it, and V-Ray mesh exporter. So you can see here file name as already written here, object name Range Rover dot vrmesh is the extension. So click here, export all, project file location, keep this, and click on automatic create proxies. Rename here by V-Ray underscore proxy underscore the file name and rest of the extension. And here you need to fix this max preview faces 10,000, need to set 7,000, refining clustering quality okay, and hit OK. It will take few seconds, and you can see, yes, you can see your proxy ready here. You can see here, this is your proxy, and you can explore this option as proxy. The hardware acceleration time less need, and here you can see the external link V-Ray proxy is located here. Now you can save this. I hit save as, and that's our mesh file, and I will rename, I will make a name here proxy file. Save, and you can see the changes. This is a mesh file and this is the proxy file. You can see the change here. 408 KB from 9.54 MB on a single object. So I think you see the changes. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like and share this video. Thank you.